Hi guys, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover 6 Pro, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this phone. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Now tap on the More icon and go to History. Here you will find Clear Browsing Data tab, so just select it, and now you've got Basic and Advanced options. So under Basic you've got Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and Cache Images and Files. Then under Advanced you've got a few more, which are Saved Passwords, Out of Input Data, and Site Settings. Just mark those that you want to remove and then pick time range. Here you've got it. So just pick the time range that you want to delete this info from, and in my case it's all time. Then select Clear Data, and that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.